Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to review the gold medal water conservation alarm bell. You may ask, what is the purpose of this water conservation alarm bell? Actually, we are residing in first floor, but the tank is there in third floor. So if the water is overflown, it will fall in the third floor only, and the third floor people has to say us the tank is full, we have to turn off. And if they are not available, we don't have any information whether the tank is full or not, the water gets overflow. So that's why we purchased a gold medal liquid water saving alarm bell. So what is the purpose of this bell is, so I will show you the equipment which is already installed. The features of this gold medal is, gold medal water conservation is, it is very easy to install. So a normal technician can install it. So we don't require any regular maintenance. It is made up of an high quality plastic material and there is no rust or erode. Okay, so the cost I bought in Amazon, I will leave you in the cart. It is around 802, but original cost you'll get in Amazon is only for 400. So if you want to know clearly about this product, you can see this scanner code, and this is the device. This is the water conservation alarm bell. Now I will show the demonstration how this product is useful to us, how it give an alarm when the tank is full. So the products what I am reviewing are all the useful products for the customers to make your home automation. So if you make automation, the energy gets saved and you have a clear information what's happening in your home, and you have a clear information about how to protect your devices. Okay, so now uh, I will leave you a one more in the cart regarding how to operate this motion based sensor light. So you can see here, so this is one of my video which will leave in the cart. This is a motion based sensor light. So now the motion is not detected. As soon as I enter into my kitchen, the light is turned on. This video I will leave you in the cart. You can see about this motion based sensor light in my cart. So now let us see our gold medal liquid water conservator. You can see here, this is my, hi everyone. Now we have been came into the top of the floor, and here you can see here. So these are the two electrodes to how we have to connect to the tank. So this is the opening of the tank. So whatever the level you want to fix it, you can fix into the tank. So now still the motor is running and the tank is not full. That's why the alarm is not making any sound. Here now you can see here, now I am keeping these two inside the water and you can check whether it is working. So now we are going to the showing you the demonstration of the portable water conservation alarm bell. So now I am going to show you the portable alarm bell. This is the portable alarm bell made up of PVC, and you can see the switch now is in off condition. I am going to turn on the switch. As soon as I turn on the switch, here you can see here, पानी की टंकी भर गई है, कृपया मोटर बंद कीजिए. Attention please, water tank is full. Please switch off the motor. सावधान, पानी की टंकी भर गई है, कृपया. So it is saying that the water tank is full and water is available in the tank, and this kind of sound will be produced by your device. Okay, and here you can see here, so as soon as you turn on the switch, automatically a light will turn on and says the water is full.